What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys as always, so please make sure you guys hit that like button, get this video 2,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be talking about stocks that are going to make millionaires. So without further ado, I need you guys to tap that notification bell so you're notified every time I post, and let's go. Okay guys, so the first stock that we're going to be talking about is always going to be SPY, yet it also creates millionaires. If you guys know about compound interest, okay, the principle of investing over time and watching your money grow with an annual rate of about 7%. Okay, you can watch your money grow with the SPY, okay, as SPY grows on, and you put some of your paycheck daily, some of your paycheck weekly, bi-weekly, 1 month, 1 quarter, whatever it is, okay? Invest what you have. You're going to see your money grow with ETFs, okay? I always say this, ETFs, dividends, stocks, okay? Those are the kings when it comes to building wealth, other investments as well, right? So SPY right now is sitting up 0.27% overnight. Yes, it's taken a bit of dives. Yes, it's down 2% in the past week. Yes, it's down 5% in the past month. Yes, year to date, we did give up gains, but over time, guys, you're going to see wealth grow, okay? 92% up in the past 5 years. So let's say, right, you had 500K from the job you saved from working, right? That 500K would turn $1 million, right, over time. And this is just 5 years, guys. Take a look at the whole indices 10 years, 20 years ago, right? It's an ongoing process. That's why investing for long term takes a long time, but is well worth it, family. So spare some income to invest, right? Whatever you got, it don't matter what time, but as long as you keep the principle of investing, you're gonna be up there. Okay, so that's the first stock, guys. Next up, we're gonna be talking about XOM. Now this one has been a ripper today. Okay, this one's sitting at 108. I believe when we talked about this one, this was sitting at 104. So family, ExxonMobil, guys, oil, okay, especially with it, how it's performing right now, has not been the best situation. However, it's still in high demand. So watch out for these oil stocks, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Now, I know a lot of people got into Palantir Technologies in 2022, 2023, 2024, became millionaires. Okay, that is the principle of investing in great companies, guys. Take a look at this. Let's look at the 5-year, for example, for Palantir. This is up 700% in the past 5 years, okay? Sticking to beliefs, okay? Discipline, investing, whatever you got, right? This is the example when you invest into great stocks. Look at Palantir, guys. I know a lot of folks didn't have the belief on Palantir when it was at $642, but now it's rocking at $81. All right, 640 from 640 to $64. That's 1,000% return. Sure, it's not as stable as the SPY, but you can consider it another option, right? That's why a lot of people invest long term, family. This isn't that Rome wasn't built in a day, okay? So coming back, showing up every day, that's the thought that counts, okay? So Palantir Technologies has some minor pullbacks, right? We're up 200% the past year. When in doubt, guys, you gotta zoom out. We're up 200% in the past year, right? Taking this whole gap, right, all the way up to 124, that's 361%. Of course, it's gonna pull back, but it's gonna go up higher, okay? So that's the tendencies you get with stocks, right? Once it's up 361%, it has to pull back eventually with some profit taking from all the investors from years ago. You guys always have to consider that. But once you spot and identify great stocks, right, you could take some of that paycheck, invest more, right? Slowly but surely over time, dollar cost averaging, guys. This is what I always preach. Okay, Nvidia, guys. Nvidia is another stock that keeps on growing. This one has made so much millionaires, right? Take a look at the 5-year chart. This one's up 1,519% in the past 5 years. And guys, take a look at the max chart, up 14,000% max all time, guys. 14,000% on your money. Now, once again, it probably hasn't been so hot in the past 3 months, but that is totally normal when it comes to a pullback. Okay, so putting some money into Nvidia, right? Putting some money into dividends, putting some money into ETFs. That's what we're here for, investing over time, family. So never doubt investing, okay? It's a great strategy, greatest wheel of wealth creation you're ever gonna have when it comes to having financial literacy, okay? The stock market, right, is one tool that you can use to invest, okay? There's other sets of wealth creation, real estate, crypto. There's so much more out there, right? It's not just stocks, it's not just crypto, it's not just real estate. There is so much more investments you can make. But on this channel, okay, I'm providing you guys stocks, right, crypto and whatnot more, okay? There's more to come on the channel, but Nvidia has been crushing it, okay, year over year. This one has been very consistent, so watch out for Nvidia if it dips, okay? Watch out, dollar cost average, right? There's no one's getting hurt dollar cost averaging, okay? Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol HOOD. Now this one is probably one of the fastest growing stocks that I've seen in a while. Okay, Hood, Robinhood Markets, although it is at $44, it recently had a run up to $65. Okay, we've been seeing 20-30% pullbacks on all of these stocks, yet they continue to grow on and on. Hood has currently been making headlines off of making most of the money off of the cryptocurrency, okay, off the cryptocurrency fees. This is very surprising to me, right? Who knew that so much people would access cryptocurrencies from Robinhood, okay? But not a surprise when it comes to making that money. Ooh, all the fees, guys, they add up, and I only see Hood climbing from here now, okay? When it comes to revenue growth, when it comes to EPS, Hood is crushing it year over year. Take a look at this, guys. When no one wants it at $9, it seems like a lot of these stocks were sitting at $6 to $9 in 2022, right? This is the time. Dollar cost average over time, it does not hurt you at all, the dollar cost average, okay? So Hood's another one I see making millionaires, already has made millionaires, gonna make more millionaires in the future, okay? Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TSLA. Now Tesla stock has been a monster in the past year. Let's take a look at the 5-year chart, up 453% in the past year, man. Tesla has been crushing it nonstop. Yes, there's dips. Take a look at this. There's always going to be dips followed by rips, dips followed by rip, dips followed by rip. Okay, maybe it dipped again, followed by rip. Guys, this is the name of the game. Dollar cost average. You should be, or if you want to, right, plan some of your paycheck to invest in some assets so you can watch them grow over time. That's the beauty of this, right? It doesn't have to be in one day. It can be throughout years, right? And you get to see the beauty follow along through. Okay, so that's what I'm here for, guys. Tesla has been crushing it in the market, sitting at $262.90. It recently was at $400, yet, you know, it had its little tumble as well as all these other stocks, but once again, poised to grow back up. Okay, so huge watch for Tesla, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol SCHD. Now, if you don't have this in your portfolio, okay, consider dividend stocks. Okay, these are stocks that are going to pay you over time for simply just holding the stock. Amazing, right? I don't know if you guys are a newcomer, right? That might be a totally bizarre term, right? Dividend stocks pay you to hold them over time. That's the beauty. Once again, they may pay about 3%, but that is compounded. Okay, you can use what's called DRIP, okay, dividend reinvestment, right? And whatever you get from your dividends, you can also use an automatic order to buy more of that dividend stock and invest even more into it. That's called compounding your gains. This is why I love ticker symbol SCHD over time. Okay, so this is a stock that pays you to hold the stock. Okay, this is awesome, guys. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol OSCR. So Oscar Health is a healthcare company that recently became profitable. Okay, we can check the year return, up 4% in the past year. However, okay, I'm seeing a lot of dips being bought in the $13-14 levels. So I want you guys to keep your eyes on this one. Sometimes on this channel, I try to spot new opportunities that may not have had the run yet, but have potential. So Oscar Health, this is one I'm looking at for the long term, right? All these stocks are long term. Next up, GOOGL, Alphabet Class A. Guys, you know Google, okay? And you know YouTube, you know Chrome. YouTube is the platform you're watching this video on right now. They've been crushing it with ad revenue. They've been crushing it with sales, okay? So ad revenue with YouTube, I believe it's paid about, what, 50, 30, 50, 100 billion creators in the past year, they've been crushing on ad revenue, okay? As well as all the search engine results. They constantly grow year over year. Guys, Google is always going to be a great stock to hold. All right. So if it dips to 157, bet I'm dollar cost averaging over time because I love these stocks. Okay. On the 5-year chart, Google has grown 156%. And as the internet economy, okay, more people have access to the internet, right? Not everyone is on the internet. Google has so much room to grow. You guys don't even know. Okay. It could be well over double the ad revenue in the next 5 years. Okay. That's the beauty of the internet, guys. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol META. They own Facebook, they own Instagram. They are a powerhouse when it comes to ads as well. Okay. A lot of people give Meta platforms ad spending money. Okay. So this one's up 223% in the past 5 years. We've recently had a dip. Guys, look at that, $90 all the way to $600. Investors are so happy. That's why you got a dollar cost average no matter what. Slowly but surely, guys. That's the name of the game. Up 24% the past year. On the 3-month, it is up 0.60%, but it recently had a run once again to 736. Okay, and let's take a look at the max, guys. Up 1000% max time. Meta is always going to be a great stock, and once again, with the internet economy, it's only going to get bigger from here. Okay, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol Apple. Oh my, you don't even have to say the percent on this. 25,000% the max time. You guys know about the iPhone, man. I don't even have to tell you about it. Apple with its innovations up 232% in the past 5 years. Great stock to hold. Okay, always gonna be watching these stocks for their future innovation. Okay, Apple is playing a big role in that. It's a huge watch at 234.50. And as always, if they dip down more, okay, I'm gonna be looking at dollar cost average slowly but surely over time. And lastly, guys, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This is another ETF stock that I will be looking at, right, for the long term. VOO, SPY. There's so much other stocks. VTI, okay? There's so much you can consider parking your cash in to let it grow over time. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We make videos like this every day. So if you want to watch another one like this, click right here. Family. Most people see the end result. Very few consider your journey. Good luck tomorrow and have a happy time investing, family. I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow.